Hello and welcome to the topic copying lists in Python. Let's take an example of a complex list. Let's say L1 equal to first element is an integer 10, second element is 2.5 a float, third element is a list, let's say 1, 2, and 3, and maybe fourth element a string Python. This list has four elements in this. It has a nested list as well as an element as we see here. If you want to copy this list, you can use the copy function or copy method of the list data type. So L2 equal to L1 dot copy. So when you do L1 dot copy, L1's copy is created and it gets stored in the variable called L2. When we do this, the same elements as L1 gets copied in L2, provided that the memory address of L1 and L2 are different. How can we verify that? We can use the is operator to check the memory addresses or the identities or the IDs of the L1 and L2 list. If it gives true, the memory addresses are same. If it gets false, memory addresses are different. So in false means the memory addresses are different for both L1 and L2. Now, let's do one thing. Let's try to change the first element of L2. So L2 of 0, I'm changing it to, let's say 1. The current value is 10. I'm changing it to 1. This is how we change the first element of L2. When we check the value of L2, it obviously gets changed. But what happens to the value of L1? Will the first element of L1 change? Since the memory addresses of L1 and L2 are different, it should not change. It has not changed because the memory addresses are different. Now let's take another example wherein I will try to change the last element of the inner list of list L2. Right? So when I do that, so L2 of 2. Why 2? Because this is 0th element, first element, and second element. L2 of 2 of the last element, which is -1, I can take. And let's say I want to change it to 0. So when I do that, this 3 gets changed to 0. Right? Now, the question is, will this change reflect on L1? Let's check. What happens here?